a Taycan. I'm sure it's probably the same on the Audi version of this. Oh, it's programming right now. But I'm gonna show you how to reinstall this front trim because I see it installed wrong all the time. And here's how I do it with because you got to get this lip over that trim, and that's where I see everyone have a hard time. So here's what we do before we do anything, because getting it off is easy. We're gonna grab it, rock it back and forth, and pull it out of its holder, just like that. I'm gonna tuck this guy in there. Get the clips in, those in, and then you will put this back in and try to make sure you got it as even as possible. And there you go. Now it's on top. No more digging in there with a pick or whatever and possibly tearing this up. Now let's do the sides, because these are also installed wrong very often because they have a little clip right here and it never gets put back where it goes right there. And then this piece goes on top, this piece goes under. So like that. I'm gonna put that clip in there. Then you can pop all these in. Then just get the edge. And there we go. Let's do it again over here. Same deal. Make sure that clip is in the right spot. Alright, there we go. Clip it in. Clip it in. Clip, clip, clip. And that's how the front trunk trim goes in on a Taycan.